Want to speak real Norwegian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at norwegianclass101.com.
Hva heter du? What's your name? Hva heter du? What's your name? Jeg heter Annette. My name is Annette. Hvordan går det med deg? How are you? Hvordan går det med deg? How are you? Jeg har det bra. I'm good. Hvor er du fra? Where are you from? Hvor er du fra? Where are you from? Jeg er fra Oslo. I'm from Oslo. Når er bursdagen din? When is your birthday? Når er bursdagen din? When is your birthday? Bursdagen min er 20. januar. My birthday is the 20th of January. Actually, my birthday is in December, so Desember. Hvor bor du? Where do you live? Hvor bor du? Where do you live? Jeg bor I Bergen. I live in Bergen. Bergen is a nice city. If you live there, you're lucky. Hvor jobber du? Where do you work? Hvor jobber du? Where do you work? Jeg jobber I kommunen. I work at the municipality. Hva er telefonnummeret ditt? What's your phone number? Hva er telefonnummeret ditt? What's your phone number? Mitt telefonnummer er 90 45 40 50. My telephone number is 90 45 40 50. No, of course, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna give out my number. Hvor lærte du norsk? Where did you learn Norwegian? Hvor lærte du norsk? Where did you learn Norwegian? Jeg lærte norsk gjennom en nettside. I learned Norwegian through a website. norwegianclass101.com. Liker du norsk mat? Do you like Norwegian food? Liker du norsk mat? Do you like Norwegian food? Ja, jeg elsker norsk mat. Yes, I love Norwegian food, especially salmon. Salmon is delicious. Har du vært I Norge? Have you been to Norway? Har du vært I Norge? Have you been to Norway? Ja, jeg har vært I Norge 3 ganger. I have been to Norway 3 times. Du er kjekk. You're handsome. Du er kjekk. You're handsome. As you might have guessed, this is not a compliment you'd like to give to a girl. This is exclusively for guys. Du er smart. You're smart. Du er smart. You're smart. I know. Thank you. Du er en fantastisk venn. You are an awesome friend. Du er en fantastisk venn. You are an awesome friend. And to your best friend, you can say, du er min beste venn. You are my best friend. CV-en din er imponerende. Your resume is impressive. CV-en din er imponerende. Your resume is impressive. Yeah, this is definitely a compliment I would like to hear all the time. Den jakken ser fin ut på deg. That jacket looks nice on you. Den jakken ser fin ut på deg. That jacket looks nice on you. Did you buy it in Norway? Du har god smak. You have good taste. Du har god smak. You have good taste. Just like in English, smak can also be used about actual taste of, for instance, food. So when you want to say that something tastes good, you can say det smaker godt. It tastes good. Smilet ditt er vakkert. Your smile is beautiful. Smilet ditt er vakkert. Your smile is beautiful. Such a happy word to know. Du ser praktfull ut. You look gorgeous. Du ser praktfull ut. You look gorgeous. This is quite a dramatic statement. You could, for instance, just say, Du ser flott ut. You're looking great. Den kjolen kler deg veldig godt. That dress really suits you. Den kjolen kler deg godt. That dress really suits you. Just a fun fact, the word dress means suit in Norway, so don't mix up dress and kjole. Du verdens beste kjæreste. You are the best boyfriend, girlfriend in the whole world. Du verdens beste kjæreste. You are the best boyfriend or girlfriend in the whole world. The word kjæreste is a very typical Norwegian word, and it actually means dearest. So this is gender neutral. You can use it for both a boyfriend or a girlfriend. That's pretty practical, isn't it? Jeg kunne ikke vært mer enig med deg. I couldn't agree with you more. Jeg kunne ikke vært mer enig med deg. Jeg kunne ikke vært mer enig med deg. I couldn't agree with you more. Vel, jeg ikke sikker. Well, I'm not sure. Vel, jeg ikke sikker. Vel, jeg ikke sikker. Well, I'm not sure. Selvfølgelig. Of course. Selvfølgelig. Of course. This literally means self-followingly. So yeah, of course. Selvfølgelig. Jeg antar det. I guess so. Jeg antar det. I guess so. Jeg antar han snakker sant. I guess he's telling the truth. Jeg skulle akkurat til å si det. I was just going to say that. Jeg skulle akkurat til å si det. I was just going to say that. Jeg skulle akkurat til å si det. Isn't it annoying when you have something clever you want to say and then somebody snatches that idea right in front of you?
Want to speak real Norwegian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at norwegianclass101.com.
Then, friend. Du en god venn. You are a good friend. What do you think makes a good friend? Best friend. Bestevenn. Like. To like. Jeg liker bananer. I like bananas. Bananas are really healthy. Who doesn't like bananas? Takk. Thanks. You can also say tusen takk, which literally means 1,000 thanks. So many thanks. Si. To say. Jeg sier alltid min mening. I always say my opinion. Yeah, that's important too. Vakker. Beautiful. Du vakker. You are beautiful. Or you can say du pen. But if you say du pen, make sure to make the E long, or else it'll sound like you are a pen. Pen, pen. Pen is beautiful. Pen is pen. Høre. To hear. Jeg hører deg. I hear you. Sunn. Healthy. Det viktig å være sunn. It's important to be healthy. A lot of Norwegians care a lot about eating healthy, exercising regularly. If you go to Norway, then you'll see a lot of people out in the nature just working out. Vite. To know. Du vet så mye. You know so much. Søvn. Sleep. Jeg får for lite søvn for tiden. I am getting too little sleep these days. Se. To see. Kan du se den bygningen? Can you see that building? Penger. Money. Jeg har begynt å spare penger. I have started saving money. Tenke. To think. Jeg skal tenke litt på det. I'm going to think about it. Yeah, after this lesson, we're gonna have so much to think about, right? Respektere. To respect. Jeg respekterer læreren min. I respect my teacher. My teacher is awesome. How about your teacher? I am the teacher, right? Ville. To want. Du vil ikke dit, vil du? You don't want to go there, do you? Norge. Norway. Norge er et flott land. Norway is a great country. Great if you like the great outdoors. We have a lot of pretty nature. Bruke. To use. Bruker du denne blyanten? Are you using this pencil? Jeg beklager. I'm sorry. Or you can say unnskyld. Gå ut. To go out. Jeg ser de gå ut av rommet nå. I see them go out of the building now. Kan jeg få regningen, er du snill? Could I get the check, please? Unfortunately, those bills aren't gonna pay themselves, you know. Jobbe. To work. Jeg jobber på sykehuset. I work at the hospital. Hvor mye koster denne? How much is this? Well, yeah, as we all know, Norway is a really expensive country, so you're gonna need a lot of money traveling there. Føle. To feel. Jeg føler meg ikke vel. I don't feel so good. Ser deg senere. See you later. You can also say vi ses senere. We'll see each other later. Forlate. To leave. Jeg forlater festen nå. I am leaving the party now. Jeg vet ikke. I don't know. Sometimes you don't know. Nothing to do with that.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.